This pack of Feline Friends die cuts comes from our friends across the pond at Creative Expressions. Now what I'm going to show you is each sheet, and you're going to get 2 of each one for a total of 130 die cuts. So you see, you get a border, you get these sweet little kitties with backgrounds, and you also get some greetings. And then you also get some in some really interesting shapes. And when you see the webisode that Teresa does with them, you will love it. Again, more of them. They pop right out. In fact, they're just lifting up as I raise these sheets. Now again, you're getting 2 of every single one. And these go perfectly for just so many occasions. Friends, thankful, birthday, whatever you like. Friends are the essence of life. And just some really sweet little faces there. So again, you're going to get 2 of each one, 130 in total, and they're going to go perfectly with our new gingham papers, as well as dotted duos, as well as so many other papers.